In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix lib1p thread 1 DLL missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to know is to know the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then simply open a browser and search for Visual C++ for distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option, scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. So this is the latest version. Next method, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator option. Type sfc space / scan now. Scan now just one word and there's no space in between and hit enter. The system scan will begin, to simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is completed, just type exit in the command prompt window. Next method, also consider to update your Windows. So click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to download and install the latest updates for your Windows 11. Okay, so that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.